Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a pole spear spearfishing. Pole spear spearfishing. So it's a spearfishing set. Let's go ahead and check. I'll show you guys what's inside. I opened it up. I didn't take anything really out yet other than just taking it out of the box. So we have the pole right here. So this is a huge setup here. You can get a really long pole going with these. Let's see. Open that up. And we'll take that out here. Oh, it's wrapped up in a thick foam of some sort. There we go. Okay, I'll just put that down there. Okay, so this is what you get. We have, ooh, this is heavy duty pole here. We've got the heavy duty pole. We have this screw on end here. So this will screw on in there so we can make it nice and long. Okay. This is longer than the other one I've used, so very long spearfishing pole. Okay, and then at the end, we have two different options. We have this one here, which will give us three probes, and then it's got little barbs on it, you see? So once you spear it, it'll have it that way. And then we have the one with a single probe right here, which can get it in there. It's got a bit of a thing here, so if it gets in there far, it'll kind of catch it in there as well. So kind of do that. So it's got a little protruding thing there. So I think this is what my buddy uses when he uses a single one when he's getting the lobsters and crabs, because this one here gets kind of wide. So if you get into a crevice or something like that, it'll just get stuck, where this one here will just get into anything. So the way it works is we'll just screw this on. And for the sake of this, I'm putting the little plastic piece on there just because I don't need to spear anything here in my house. Okay, and I'm going to put this cap back on this one just so I don't poke myself. Okay, so there's our spear. And I'll put that right there for now. And then we also are given these bungees. And we've got two, so I guess we're good. So in case one fails or something, we have that. And we are given this box. I guess this box is probably to store the head into, so we can put it in there as we go fishing and stuff so we don't stab ourselves. Okay, and then this is it here. So this is going to be on the other end here. And what I'll need to do is feed this through here, and then this through here. You can kind of see I'm just kind of doing a loop through thing. Okay, so there, now we have it this way here. And the way this is going to work is you're going to go like this. And you go like that, you hold it like this, and you hold it down there. And then when you let go, it goes shooting out. So that's kind of it, you know, to shoot it out. So that's the pole fishing. I'm not really here to give you an instructions on pole fishing, just trying to show you the fishing rod. But this is it here. So that's what it is. It comes with a good bungee. This one here is solid and thick and good. And if for some reason you have a problem with that one, we're given a second one as well. So that's cool. So we're given all of that, as well as in here, we have a case for it here. So it comes with I'll just rip it open, a nice canvas bag for it. So that'll be it there. So when we unscrew it, we can put it back into this bag, and we have our little section up here where we can put our ends and our bungees and things like that in there, and we can have our poles in the rest. So how cool is that? So if you need, and it even has a little handle to carry it with. So everything you need for spearfishing right here. So very cool set. Thumbs up.